Hakka people are nomad people. We are well known for our cuisine being fatty, salty, and fragrant.
Sounds good to me. Fatty, salty, fragrant.
It sounds like the three of us, doesn't it, really?
We should get T-shirts.
I'm sweating bullets on one of these aprons, mate. I'm counting them down, watching them go, and I'm checking out the room. I've got some serious competition, and I need to fight for this.
They're running out of aprons. Come on, Jenny. Come on, Jenny. Yeah.
What's your name?
My name's Jenny.
So what have you cooked?
I've made a grilled pork spring roll noodle salad.
The fact that you hadn't made either noodles or the spring roll wrapper kind of makes me go, I want to see that you've got those skills.
You're a cook again.
So what's your name?
I'm Ben.
You've got a beautiful-looking pie there, Ben.
Yeah, it's an old family recipe. So we've got salmon, lemon rind, capers.
The salmon's a little bit dry, and you can see that by the colour.
It's a no for me.
Yeah.
I think it's enough on the plate for me to say it's a yes from me. You've got a second chance.
What's your name?
I'm Jess.
Beautifully presented. What is it?
It is a lemon tart, raspberry spear, a sesame praline, and it's also got some compressed fruit.
We think you've got great skill, great potential.
But there's a few competing flavours in there. That's sort of a clashing. We want you to cook again and get an apron. Yeah? You got it?
Tomorrow I'm going to prove them that I am worth that apron, and I'm going to grab it with all my heart.
Yum. I can smell it already.
How are your nerves? Can you show me your hands? Not too bad.
Smells good. We're getting there. We're getting there.
My name is Khan. I'm 25. I'm from Melbourne, and I'm a DJ.
Keep it coming. Yeah, keep going.
I want to win this apron so badly. Like, I'm so nervous that it's just not going to happen. I'm going to go in and get 3 no's, and I'm just going to be, like, devastated. Hi, I'm Khan.
So what have you cooked?
I've cooked a crackling pork belly, a roasted eggplant, some pickled veggies, and lotus root chips.
I love it. It's a yes from me.
You're a yes for me.
Thank you.
Wow. I find it a little bit kind of aggressive on the flavours.
But Gary, there's a whole lot more crackling in there. Maybe that'll change your mood. Go on, eh? Have more of that crack.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, hey, let's
I mean, have a look at that.
Are you putting pressure on me? Yeah, I think they are.
Yeah, we are. Yeah.
All right, then. Yes!
So excited. Can I have my apron, please?
What's your name?
Samira.
What's the dish?
This is a traditional dish to Azerbaijan. It's called gyurza. Dumplings stuffed with lamb mince, and I'm serving them with saffron broth.
Samira?
Yeah.
What a year we're going to have. It's a yes from me.
Hey!
Oh my God.
Joe, show me your hands now. I'm shaking too. Thank you. Well done.
So, what's your name?
My name's Joe. So, these are my crunchy pork belly bao buns with a spicy hoisin sauce and a chili caramel sauce.
Yeah, OK.
You know what I'm looking at? His head.
Your head.
I love it.
I wanted to make you sweat.
I'm glad you
he's
made me
sweating.
sweat. Thank you.
Oh,
because I
thank
love
you.
it. It's so delicious, and it's a yes from me.
Yeah.
No matter.
Thank you for all your support. I'm not leaving here without an apron.
What's your name?
My name is Meta. Gary.
Meta?
Yes.
So what have you cooked us?
I have cooked you shiitake mushroom chicken, garlic rice, and accompany bok choy. This is my heritage,
Which is?
which is Hakka. Hakka people are nomad people. We are well known for our cuisine being fatty, salty and fragrant.
Sounds good to me. Fatty, salty, fragrant.
It sounds like the three of us, doesn't it, really?
We should get T-shirts. So it's a yes from salty.
It's a yes from fragrant.
And that means it's a big yes from Fatty.
We have been on this, like, massive tour of the world with, I mean,
Singapore.
the Indian,
Yeah.
Mexican, but true representations.
Is there more to come?
Yeah. We've got 16 aprons down. We've got some more people to see. And, gee, the food has to be spectacular because the benchmark is high.
Yeah.
Hearing another apron. You know, very excited, but at the same time, nervous for myself. My name is Huda. I'm 32 years old and I'm from Sydney.
I hear you're doing Lebanese dessert.
Yes, I am.
Tell me exactly what.
It's called zno dessert, translated to lady's arm. It's a phyllo pastry filled with clotted cream, dipped in sugar syrup, pistachio crumbs and all. And
Oh, you've won me. And you're making the phyllo from scratch?
I am making the phyllo from scratch.
Fantastic.
The pastry is the most important part of the dish.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Huda.
Nice to meet you. So tell us, what's going on?
What's going on? Oh, you know, cooking up a little storm
Yeah.
for you guys, hoping to impress you.
What have you made?
So today I've made zno dessert, which is the Arabic name for lady's arms. It's a phyllo pastry with clotted cream.
Oh.
Beautiful, beautiful. Fantastic. Boys, come down. And what's the syrup?
And that is a rosewater and orange blossom sugar syrup.
Do you want any more on that, or?
I think you might want a little bit more on that.
Okay. Looks great.
What
Did you
else?
make your filet?
I did make my phyllo
Well
from
done.
scratch, yeah.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Love it, love it, love it. Gee, everything's good so far.
I love that pastry.
Oh, you're eating a half each, aren't you? I just realised what you did there.
I was starting with half.
Pastry, but also what's nice is sometimes
Can I double dip?
those... Yeah, sometimes those, you know... we
Did you
go-
just ask that? After 10 years of tasting together, can you double dip?
It is a show that's full of surprises this year, and that is 6 months so far.
You know, the crunch is beautiful. That filling is delicious. Oh, they look stunning. You are super interesting, and that is super delicious. And for me, it's a super yes.
Thank you.
Well done.
I love it.
Thank
I think
you.
it's great. It's a massive yes from me.
Awesome.
Really love it.
Thank you.
It's very simple.
Oh,
It's fried.
I'll send you out...
It's sweet. It's full of custard.
But it's not bad.
What's not to like? It's a yes from me too.
Awesome.
I
Thank
love
you. I always have words to say, and now I'm quite speechless, so you've done a great job.